Rest in power, it's all about power. Squeeze two lemons together and really all you'll have is sour. Diesel, niggas will smoke your ass and half the juice. Riding around in an all black coupe, couple of pitches that's ready to shoot. Shit, ducking and bucking and dodging and dropping with 48 ounces and cigarette butts. Fucking around with the up echelon, they will turn you to cubes and I hope you be gone. And roll the overload, cranium overdose, then the cascade, what the fuck is the house? Click on your pap, bitches a rap, Tierra my witness, I pray for a nap. Younger than the rest will return with the past, kicking ignition, put on the gas. None of you niggas is acting that jazz, go team in the Glock and the Cypher gas. Green gun, particles, turn you into molecules. Planet shrooms, I'll take you to my panic room.
Yeah. All these niggas stealing my style. Can I get my flow back? Yeah. Bob on that bitch like Kodak. Yeah. Bitch, you know that. Yeah. I push your shit all back. Told that bitch I got money, ayy. Counting them hundreds is nothing, ayy. Told that little bitch I got money, ayy. Told that little bitch it is nothing, ayy. Hit that bitch right from the back, she got turkey. I knock out that bitch like it's stuffing, yeah. Told that little bitch that I'm with it. Told that little bitch that I'm with it, ayy. What? 21 little boat, yeah. Denzel Curry, cut your throat, yeah. Kodak do the most, yeah. Told that little bitch I got all the money. I swear this shit is just nothing. I just be dancing right up on that bitch, yeah. Would you be stunting?
That one I gained on that boy, not my friend. I hang with my gang, the same gang that felt all of my pain. When I was struggling through the rain, when I had no guard with no ice, wasn't no food but rice. All of these bitches, they want me, but they get one night. Fuck them, I give a fuck what you saying. Bitch nigga, no, I ain't playing. I'm by my fatty, selling team, I'm we ready. Fuck up that nigga, if he talk out too heavy, I'm body. Chains on my neck, cost me 20. Look at your diamonds look like they fake. Young nigga in the Gucci stands. Fuck with me if you wanna die. Young nigga, I don't want no suit and ties. Fuck no. Look, bro.
21. Turn away.
Gangsta
I sent my bitch to the store cause we ran out of soda.
What?
Bitch, I'm trying to cook this Yola. 100 round drum on the bottom of that shit. Chop a nigga down like a fucking lawnmower. AK-47 around my motherfucking shoulder. Pull up in a Rover, then I put up on the pistol. Put up on your bitch, she suck my dick and then you kissed her. Young savage bitch and I don't play around with them switches. I just smoke them woods. Yeah. Bitch, I'm from the hood. Yeah. Zone 6, bought the Crest Road, you can't go there. 21 gang, bitch.
21.
I'm in NYC, I think I got a fucking show there.
Yeah.
Hold up. Roll it on my wrist. Roll it on my bitch.
What?
30 on my waist.
What?
30 to your face.
Yeah.
60 to your face.
Yeah.
90 to your face.
Yeah.
That's a closed case.
Yeah.
You an old nigga. Man, you washed up. Young Savage, man, I got my car washed up. Put up on a motherfucking nigga rock up. Yeah. Then I put up in a motherfucking Brinks truck. 21.
Elmondok egy titkot, az egyik haverom meghalt a drogtól és én tettem el. Nem mondjátok el senkinek, mert ez nagyon veszélyes lenne számomra. Apakonda alattam van, ha feláll, akkor nagy bajod van. Apakonda alattam van, ha feláll, akkor nagy bajod van. Voltam a hernádon és a száppal leharaptam Kárimat, majdnem. Cica baba, milyen fasz kell neked, hosszú, kicsi vagy vastag, ez az baby. Felizgultam. Remélem tetszik majd az apakonda, ha nem, akkor kapd be a farkort a kupa fején. Ez az baby, ránc a picsát.